Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 32 to the power of m minus 16 to the power of m is equal to 0, and we can solve this exponential equation for the value of m. So the very first thing we are going to do is here we can apply the famous exponent law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the whole power n, it is equal to a to the power of m times n. And here you remember one thing, which is that if we can interchange its exponents in this form, a to the power of n to the power of m, so that this will again become the same answer. Okay, this option is also equal to a to the power of m n, and this is also equal to a to the power of m times of n. Okay, so now we can apply this exponent law here to solve this exponential equation. So therefore we can write 32. First we can write 32 in prime factorization form. So we know that the prime factors of 32 are 2 to the power of 5 and whole power m, minus the prime factors of 16 are 2 to the power of 4 and whole power m is equal to 0. And now we can apply this exponent law, and we just interchange the exponents here, and we can write it as 2 to the power of m and whole power 5 minus 2 to the power of m and whole power 4 is equal to 0. And now we can I want to change this exponential equation in simplified form, so that we will take here y is equal to 2 to the power of m. So now we can substitute this in this equation, so that we have y to the power of 5 minus y to the power of 4 is equal to 0. And now we can take common y to the power of 4, and here we get y minus here we get 1 is equal to 0. Now we have two cases. The first case is we take y to the power of 4 is equal to 0, and the other case is we can take y minus 1 is equal to 0. And here you can take the fourth root on both of the sides, so it will becomes y to the power of 4 and whole power 1 over 4 is equal to 0 to the power of 1 over 4, and here you get y is equal to 1. And after that here you can see that this 4 is gone, and 0 to the power 1 over 4 is equal to 0. So here we get y is equal to 0, and here you have y is equal to 1. Now in the above question we can take here y is equal to 2 to the power of m. Now we can back substitute the value of y, so that it will become 2 to the power of m is equal to 0, and here you have 2 to the power of m is equal to 1. So here you remember one thing about exponential equation or exponential function is that the exponential function is never 0 and exponential function is never negative, so that here this expression is not exist, so that we can just rejected this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. Okay, so that if you can focus on the right hand side, here we have 1, and we can write 1 as 2 to the power of 0, and here you can see that bases on both of the sides are same, so these two are gone, and finally here we get m is equal to 0. So this is the our solution of the given exponential equation. Now we will check our solution, is this solution is satisfy the given equation or not. So that now we can substitute here m is equal to 0, and we will obtain 32 to the power of 0 minus 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 0. And here you have 32 to the power of 0, and you know that anything whose power is 0 equals to 1, so it is equal to 1. And here you have again 16 to the power of 0, so it is also equal to 1 is equal to 0, and you can see here this negative and positive 1 is gone, and finally you get 0 is equal to 0. So this is the here you can conclude that m is equal to 0 is satisfy the given equation. So m is equal to 0 be the solution of the given equation. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.